add up the right place without belly tummy, without shooting up that belly. The first thing we need right now is our milk. I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk straight into the blender. So the second thing we need is our dates. I'm gonna add 5 dates into it. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the next thing we need here right now is our banana. So I'm gonna add 1 banana into the blender. Guys, this smoothie is very healthy. It will make you not to add up any weight. It's just make you just add up the rightful place. That's the only thing that this smoothie will do. It's not gonna make you to bring out your tummy or your tummy to be big. No, it will just at the rightful place. So the next thing we need for this is our avocado. So I'm gonna make use of half of this avocado. I will just add it up straight to the blender. Just peel off the back and just add it straight to the blender. So guys, the next thing we need is half cup of groundnuts. Sorry, peanuts. We call it groundnut in Nigeria. So if you don't have groundnuts or peanuts, you can go ahead and use your peanut butter. Just 1 teaspoon of peanut butter will just go along with it. So right now I'm gonna add it into the blender. Now I'll go ahead and blend it. So guys, right now I'm gonna pour it into the cup. Our smoothie is ready. I just see so creamy. Wow, this is gonna make you to add weight in the rightful place. It will not even make you to have fat belly. It will just make you to just add weight where you're supposed to add weight. This thing works like magic. Just try it. If you want to just add up weight, drink it in the morning, drink it always. So guys, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoy what you are seeing, why not share it? Share it to your friends, share it to your loved ones. Guys, please share and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Help us to grow this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to this extent, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.